I know you guys are searching for how to add email address to your Roblox account and you don't know how to use it. Then you are at the right video. So hello everyone, welcome back to the new video. Today in this video I'm going to guide you on how to add email address or email ID in your Roblox account. So it will provide the extra security to your Roblox account. So let's begin the video. Here, if you are in phone, open the Roblox app, and if you are in PC, then search for the roblox.com in the Chrome browser. And now you will be on the Roblox homepage. Then you will see a gear button, that is setting button at the top right corner. Click on it. And the several settings will come up like settings, quick sign in, health and safety. So click on the settings option. And now you will see the display name, username, phone number and email address. Tap on the email address and put your email ID. Now a verification email will send to your Gmail. Go and tap on it and tap on the verify this. So following this, you can add the email address in your Roblox account. That's it for this video. If this video helped you, then hit the like button and do subscribe for more videos like this. Bye bye. See you all in the next video.